Yo, guess who I just seen, son?
Tanner Bulls.
I just seen that boy Mouse, aka I think his name is Gentleman Jack now, and he's bigger than my boy King. He's bigger, like he's taller and he's wider now. He got a nugget on him. He is gonna have a big dome piece. I can tell you that much. That boy King is the smallest one out of the litter now. But I'm gonna roll a quick clip of the short clip of the video I got of that puppy that I had got rid of.
Come here. Come here. Let me get a photo. Come here.
Alright, I got him.
You got it?
Yeah, thank you. Wow. Yeah.
Look at him.
Wow. That's crazy.
Hey, brother.
Y'all need to fucking get together more often.
Right. I have a female off of this litter also.
Oh, you?
Uh-huh.
Right.
She's just as big as he is.
His next litter, I'm up to keep it.
Okay.
Come on, Jay.
Oh, yeah. He is nice. I love him. I'm just excited to have seen him. And the people that have him don't live too far away. He's nice, though, y'all. He is nice. You ready to go, King? I gotta go get my baby. Y'all can walk with us if you want. I'm gonna keep it rolling for however long I got now.
Workout resumed.
Oh, let me turn this thing off. The kid thought he was gonna get him a free puppy. He seen King walking by himself because I was sitting down. And he walked right by the dog, not seeing me until he got right up on me. You ain't taking my puppy, boy. What's going on in my head right now is I'm praying to God these leaves don't make me slip and slide. I'm too old to be falling. It's not time for me to be falling and breaking anything. Pep in your step. Put a pep in your step, homie. Alright. Make it down this little hill. Why you ain't by my side? Like, come on now. Why are you behind me? Stop. Put a pep in your step. Let's go. Good God Almighty. So currently off leash training this guy. He's great at it when we're at a park, but being a puppy, you get new smells and new sights and everything. So his nose is on overdrive. So although he is loose in a park, I would not let him loose near a road. So once we get down to the roads, he will be going on a leash because he will wander off. He smelled a new smell, and that's all he wrote. And I do not need my baby getting hit by a car. Isn't that right, King? Yeah, I can't believe I seen his brother. His brother way bigger than him. I'm gonna show y'all Mouse. I'm gonna show him as a baby with his little mates, and then I'm gonna show the video that I just did of him. It's a small clip, but I hope I got a good little video of him so y'all can see the difference in this boy. Although he is bigger than my boy King, King is cut up. Like he's more toned. He's more toned up. But again, you could have an adult dog that you buy from somebody, and their appearance will change from the person who owns them, you know. So although King is really on the slimmer side more than Mouse is, because if I had Mouse, Mouse would be his size. He would not be a big boy. So it all depends on the owner and what they do with the dog, you know. And his weight is amazing. He's not overweight, nothing. I actually thought King might be a little underweight with how nice that boy looks. But it all depends on the owner of the dog, you know. You got some dog owners who like skinnier, healthier looking dogs, cut up looking dogs, such as myself. Come, let's go. Look at that. See how energetic he is? And then you have your breeders or even your dog owners who have chubbier dogs, less active dogs, you know. So even though I am a plus size woman, I love an active dog, regardless of what size, regardless of what breed. I love active dogs. I love a dog that can keep up with me on my walks, because I like to go on my mile walks, my 4 miles, 5 mile walks. I love a dog that can keep up with me. And I got a micro female. I even got a video of her walking 4 miles with me. So my dogs have to be in shape. Come. Not saying that his puppy was out of shape. That's not what I'm getting at. I'm just saying, like I've been saying, different owners, different results. And that's all I'm saying. Come here. Come. Leash time. It all depends on the owner of the dog, y'all. So you can have a bulldog who is chubby. The mom is chubby, the dad is chubby, but get you an owner who likes a fit dog. Even bulldogs could be fit dogs, y'all. It all depends on the owner. I know a bulldog breeder who has bulldogs that could keep up with pit bulls. they not even like chubby how everybody views the bulldog to be. Come on. Come on. You ain't gonna slide? Come on, fat boy. We are currently at the park, y'all, waiting for my daughter to get off the bus. Come here. You like going on walks with me? Yeah, I know. Leave it. Come here. And you got it anyways. I thought I blocked it. Come here. King. You know, eat it. Clog your own asshole up. Come here. Come here. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Yo, what dog like eating paper napkins? Any dog. If they can get it, they gonna shred it and swallow some pieces. Come here.